Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. First of all, wishing the newly elected President Joe Biden on his birthday. What heavenly bodies has to say about Biden's presidency on his birthday? Because it falls on 20th November 1942. Joe Biden, the newly elected 46th President of United States of America, has come long way after serving his country as a Vice President for 8 years. Yes, and is looked upon by American people to make America united and compatible nation. Let us see what astrology has to say about him while his presidency creates hope around all the Americans. Not only his hard work and determination was strong, but also he found himself in good hands of fortune. We saw Jupiter and Saturn taking path towards Aquarius, which gave sign of Biden winning as Aquarius suggested coming of democratic government. Biden's sign is Scorpio, and yes, he is a ruler. He will bring greater good to his country as his stars shows that his emotional strengths and psychological capabilities are on his way of increasing. According to his zodiac, he is passionate, loyal and ambitious nature. Will America create new relationships with neighboring country? According to me, there is a risk of backstabbing, and hence he will have to look twice in the basket of people he is trusting. He is a man with Taurus moon, someone who is grounded and rational and has very strong willpower, and hence his competitors will have hard time in front of him. Sagittarius as his rising sign, he will be looked upon as progressive. His Scorpio sun will set him inclined towards justice, and hence he will make transformations which will write history, which will create history. He will be someone who won't jump into conclusions about national security or any kind of crucial issues, and will understand each and everything in detail before giving his judgment or before giving his words, as his birth during a waxing moon in Taurus suggests. His emotional balance and passionate nature can be clearly signified by the presence of moon in the 5th house of his chart. His Sagittarius ascendant assures us of him being someone who would hold up nationalism. The position of Virgo and ruling of Mercury makes his decision power trustworthy, which says he won't rule with harsh fit but with judgment. The energies released by the transition of stars around his horoscope suggest that major understandings would take place around his tenure of career, and his glory would be celebrated. Transition of nodes of destiny in the ninth house will shift his efforts on global relations. Idea of world as a family, one single family. Saying this, the cosmic positions of heavenly bodies says that his presidency will restore the faith of Americans in the government as someone who looks upon them with good intentions. Lastly, I am sure that the relationship between India and USA will surely become stronger in the coming future. I wish him all the very best in life on the occasion of his birthday. I am sure he will be beneficial for India. Stay happy. Shri Ganeshaya Namah.